Madh, an island that is famous for its picturesque sunsets, lush greenery, coconut trees, and sandy beach. Life on this island is a beautiful picnic, a place to chill, and also referred to as mini Goa. The people here are warm and welcoming. Ancestral villas, vintage crosses, and a 115-year-old church, Our Lady of the Sea. The biggest of them is the Saint Bonaventure's shrine, popularly known for the Erangal Sasan. Experience the life at Madh Gaothan, only on Me East Indian YouTube channel at 11 am on Saturday, 3rd October. Brought to you by Mobai Gaothan Panchayat's Gaothan Avtan.